Hi everyone, it's Maggie, and I'm here with just a really quick Etsy share, and it's a digital Christmas kit from Lorna, who is Tailor Made Journals on Etsy, and there'll be a link in the description box to the kit. So let me show you. It's just a beautiful kit. I thought I was done with Christmas, journals and that, but I'm not. I just fell in love with this kit when I saw it. So this is the first page, and I love the soft pink colors and the greens. And look at this, the stocking. It's just beautiful. And there's this page. It's just so pretty. Then we have this one, perfect for photos. And this one with journaling. And look at, oh, I just love that. I love the lantern and the cardinal. It's just beautiful. And look at the ice skates. The colors. And this, oh, it's, I don't know what else to say. It's just a beautiful kit, and I just love it. The old-fashioned sled, and another lantern. She did a beautiful job on this. Here's a background, like a wallpaper. And the colors are just so subtle. And here, this is so cute. I might even fussy cut one or two of these. They're just adorable. Here's another page where you could put pictures if you want from this Christmas. And here's another subtle background. Let me hold it up because you can, I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but it's like a doily and then the poinsettias. But I love the soft colors. The Visit of St. Nicholas, Christmas Carol. And I love how she put pages that you can put photos in. So there's that one. Here's another background page. And these corners. I don't know if you're going to be able to see. There's really no sun out today, so it's hard to tell. Here's another background collage. And it's so cute. Love that too. Here's another beautiful, very light pink background. And this cute one. Oh my gosh, she's so cute. I really can't wait to play with this kit. Look at this. It's just beautiful. Here's another collage page. I think there's 35 pages to this kit. Purest snow. Love the cardinals. And look at the sleigh there with the tree in the background. This is an envelope. I used 36-pound premium HP paper, I think. And I usually print the envelopes along, with the papers because they're easy. it's just easier to fold than the you know, the cardstock strength. Here's another one. I love the size of these envelopes too. Okay, and then here's the ephemera and all that, and that I did print on 110 pounds. So here's some postcards, and then I forget what you call these, but you know, you can write in there for, like, if you have a name for the journal and that. But these are so cute. And I, without realizing it, I copied that twice. Excuse me. Here's some pockets, some oh gosh, my words just aren't coming this morning. Well, it's Monday. I don't think they're tags, right? Oh well, somebody in the comments will let me know what they're called. But and here's another postcard, a blank one. And here's a couple of coin envelopes. Bring this up. A couple of coin envelopes. Some ovals, fussy cut. Some Christmas words. I love the size of these. Some little, you could use these for journaling cards if you want. Here's some words a lot larger. My fingers, oh my gosh. Sorry about that. And then some more fussy cuts. Angels and Victorian Santas and bells and flowers, roses. It's just beautiful. And more fussy cuts. This kit has everything you need for a journal. And here's a couple more pockets, some journaling cards, some jars, some library cards. I love how she did those. Some tags, more pockets. I like that she made different shaped pockets also. Here's some more journaling cards or ephemera cards. Some smaller postcards. And then some tags. Look at these beautiful tags. I love that scene. They're just so pretty. And then last but not least, you could use these as belly bands, journaling, larger journaling cards, side pockets. So that's it. That is, and it's called A Christmas Wish. I almost forgot to let you know what the title of it was. But that's the whole kit, and it's just beautiful, and I can't wait to play with it. So, as I said, there'll be a link in the description box to this kit and to Lorna's Etsy shop. So, thanks for watching, everyone. If you want, you can leave a comment. Let me know what you think about the kit. And I'm going to be back again soon, hopefully with a project share. So I'll just say bye for now.